What's up everyone, this is Jason with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to give you my full review of the Lenovo Duet Chromebook, and I'm going to explain to you that for the price, this Android tablet slash Chromebook is definitely worth it. And we're going to talk about it right now. The Lenovo Duet Chromebook is running Chromeos. It can also pose as an Android tablet. Now, we know there's not that many Android tablets out here. There's maybe a couple budget ones and the higher end Samsung tablets. But Google has been really trying to make an effort to, get rid of Android tablets by not even supporting them. Now, Chrome OS is actually built for the laptops, kind of tablet two-in-ones, but with Android tablets, they were limited to the OS design, and they were really built for phones, and they had poor optimization for big screens. With this, you get a laptop with a full desktop class OS and a pretty decent tablet mode. You have support for Android apps and progressive web apps. You get software updates to 2028. So, come on, 2028, Android wasn't even updating most of their phones or tablets. Another cool thing is that this tablet has the VSI stylus standard. So any stylus that supports this will work on the device, which I think is pretty cool. The value you get from all this stuff, the machine is $250, and you're getting a decent tablet that can handle Android apps as well as progressive apps, like I stated. And you get a kickstand with a back cover and a keyboard right out of the box. All your accessories right out of the box. You don't even have to go in and pay extra money for them. And again, that's $250. It's hard to give a lot of negatives with this device, but I have just a few. Really, the only cons I guess I could give are that if it would have had backlit keys, that would have been nice. But for the price point, I'm not really complaining about it. The trackpad is clicky. It could be a little better. And the speakers are kind of horrible. But again, for the price point and everything else you get, these are small, menial little things. With that being said, again, the price point is amazing. You get good battery life. It's a solid display. It's a 16:10 aspect ratio with a 400 nit brightness. The machine has good performance. Again, I said you get the keyboard. It takes a little to get used to. The keys are a little smaller, but it's still really, really good. It's lappable. I can actually put it in my lap and use it. I couldn't really do that with the Magic Keyboard with the iPad, but this one's lappable. As I said, the trackpad is clicky and it's a little, so I'm going to use it as a con and a pro because I still like to actually use it. Another awesome thing, and I love doing this, I do this with my iPad all the time, is you can connect to a external display and use a mouse and keyboard. So, you're getting the full Chrome OS operating system and being able to download all these Android apps and just get the best of both worlds. Now for the specs. You get a MediaTek Helio P60T processor, and this is an octa-core processor with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And it comes in a 64 gig or 128 gig for the storage. You get 10 hours of battery life, a light device that is super mobile. You travel and it barely even feel it, it's so light. You get a 2 megapixel front facing camera, and the speakers are okay. Like I said, they're not the best, but at least you're hearing some sound out of there and you're good to go. Now, one thing I did leave out that it is a little laggy sometimes, but again, I'm sorry to keep bringing it up, but the price point, you're not going to have some super fast machine, but it gets done what it needs to get done. Another cool feature is Google Stadia. You can actually use the controller, connect it up, and play your games right on the device, and it's pretty good. I haven't had a lot of lag with that, but I don't play a lot of games with that, but the games I do play are good. I don't have any complaints about it. Okay, so they've also equipped this thing with a lot of gestures. So you do a long swipe up, and that takes you home. You do a short swipe up, and that shows your pinned apps. You can swipe up and hold, and you'll see all your open apps. Kind of like a multitasking thing. You can drag one of the apps to the side, and then you'll go into split mode. And you can swipe in from the left as a back button. So it'll just take you back. If you're in a browser, you navigate to different pages and you want to go back, you just swipe in and it goes right back. Which I thought, it's kind of intuitive to have it just have that function somewhere. I wish it was like everywhere on the screen you could do it, not just in one spot, but I'm not going to complain about it. Okay, guys, so in my opinion, this is definitely a device that is a must go out and get. I mean, I'm not going to say this is going to be your full device. You can use this as your laptop and your tablet and have nothing else. But as a secondary device, this is pretty awesome. I mean, look what you get. You get a price point of $250. You get the keyboard, the back, which is a kickstand. You're going to get Google updates, and this is every 6 weeks until 2028. It's super mobile, and I think it's kind of like a cheaper Google Pixel Slate. I mean, it has all these features. You're going to also get Android apps, progressive apps. I mean, besides the speakers, it's pretty much a just run out and go get. I mean, I am back and forth whether I should keep mine because I could do it as a secondary device like I was saying before, but we'll definitely see. But in my opinion, guys, if you are in the market for, like I said, a secondary device, or even if you can possibly use this as your main device because you don't do as many high performance things, then definitely run out and snatch this up because this is a hidden jewel right here, everyone. Okay, if you found value in this video, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any new videos I release. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would be the awesome person that just makes my day. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.